if you are keen on or you want to start a food and beverage business, so this episode is for you. Let's check. If you want to ask majority of the people today who want to start their business, what do you want to invest your money in? Majority of them, from 80 to 90%, they will tell you they want to invest in restaurants and cafe. And for sure, at the last couple of years, we are observing that the percentage of the food industry is increasing too much, which represented in restaurant and cafe. So if you want to invest today in the food and beverage industry and you're thinking that restaurant is the only option for you, you are mistaken. I will tell you why. What if today I propose to you something already existed, a business already, a lot of people already started, and it's very safe, more than the restaurant and cafe, and I will make for you a quick comparison between today, if you want to start a restaurant or you want to start a catering business. Which is better for you? I will make a quick comparison about this. Restaurant, you are committed to a rent, a wages and salaries. You are committed to a quality, which the waiters and the chef, they have to make a perfect quality in order to compete with your competitors around you and to be unique. So you are already copy and paste inside the market. But catering business is easy for everyone. I will tell you why. Today in catering business, you don't need a place. You can start this business from your home. But in a restaurant, you have to rent a space in order to make a decoration and the expenses and a lot of things. No need for any expenses. All the expenses in catering business is appliances and kitchen equipments. That's it. This what's already required from you. But in the restaurant, you have to make decoration, you have to make appliances, kitchen equipments, ovens, chairs, tables, a lot of things. But in catering, I'm just bringing a few kitchen equipments in order if I receive an order outside in a hotel or in a school or in a company or something like this, I can transfer my equipments from a place to another place. This is the difference between catering and restaurant, but both of them under the same title, which is food and beverage. But catering business is cheaper for you. Restaurant is required a lot of money and you have to pay for a marketing and you have to pay for a lot of things. For anyone who want to start the business of catering, you have to know that catering in the market is 3 types, okay? The first type is mobile and delivery caterers, and the second type is hotels and restaurant caterers, and the third type is private full service caterers, and I'll explain to you one by one what's about. So let's speak about the first type of catering business, which is mobile and delivery caterers. Today, if you are staying inside your company and you are feeling hungry, okay, one of your friends, he's working from the house and he's cooking and he's delivering to companies, delivering to schools, delivering to workshops, delivering to everywhere. This is called mobile and delivery, which is that you are working from the house and you are receiving orders from individuals, okay, and you are transferring by your van or by your car the orders to these individuals wherever they are, okay. So this is about the first type. I'm advising for you, before explaining the other 2 types, if really you want to start in catering business, the safest one for you is the first one, okay, because it's less involved, less expensive, less risky, and you can start small. So the second thing now is hotel and restaurants caterers. From the name, that you are working intermediate between the client and the hotel itself. How you are sharing between this? You are responsible for preparing the menus, you are responsible for the decorations, you're responsible for the presentation for the table and the chairs and how food will be served. All of this you are responsible about. You are working with the hotels. Majority of this type, you are working in wedding services, or you are working on private parties, which is held inside the hotels. And the third type is private full service caterers, and this type is the large scale of the previous type. This one is serving the gatherings, serving the large scale like private parties, like wedding services, like schools, like you are the food in the canteen. This is catering. Okay, you are serving every day not less than 2,000, 3,000 students, so it required a lot of budget from you, and it will be expensive for you if you are a starter in this business. Someone will ask me, what does it require from me to start a catering business from house today? First of all, in order to be powerful inside this market and doesn't require from you to pay a lot of money for marketing, you should be unique. How to be unique? You should choose a private niche. What does it mean? Today you should working, for example, in desserts, or you are working in grilling, or you are working on roast and frying. You have to choose your niche to be specialized in it inside the market. But don't say today that I will work in everything. This is not convincible. You will never reach the high quality in the food, because if you are working in everything, this is more expensive on you, because you have to bring a chef for grilling, you have to bring a chef for roast. Choose a specific thing you are good at and work on it. Okay? Someone will ask me, how can I bring a chef and from where I can pay all of these salaries for a chef, because a chef is taking a high salary? Very easy and simple solution. Today your mother, if she is good at cooking of something, she can work with you. But let's say that today your mother is working and no one is free for you. What you can do, a lot of ladies are good at cooking. A lot of ladies today, they want to make a small business from cooking. You can agree with them. They can cook for you with the quantity which you need. If one client today or a company, they spoke with you and they called you, what service are you offering as a catering company? You can tell them that I'm offering, for example, a simple lunch, which is the normal delivery for anyone, for individuals. Also, you can provide a corporate and event catering and wedding catering. This is a service which you can offer to anyone, and be sure to make a menu for you with a good prices to deliver it for anyone, because no need for the people to ask you and you will discuss with them about the prices. The people need a competitive prices to be put inside one menu in order to be a reference for you or to be a presentation for you in front of anyone. And finally, guys, we reach the end of our episode today. I hope it was useful for you and you gathered a lot of information. And please, guys, if you have any question or inquiries, you can write for me a comment down this video, and for sure I will be active with you and answer you directly. So please, guys, don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and share in order to grow this channel together and faster. And please, guys, wait for me next week for A.Hassans projects.